In this video, I'll teach you how to make delicious and tasty, high protein, healthy vegetable yam chips for weight gain. And this video is beginner friendly and it is very detailed. If you've been looking for one recipe that you can add to your diet to enable you add weight this period, just stick to the end and watch this video. We'll begin by adding some oil to the pan. Then we'll go in with some rosemary leaves. Those are dried rosemary leaves. Then next thing I went in with was a little bit of fennel. Then I added nutmeg to the oil and some thyme, as you can see me adding in the video. Basically, I'm adding all my herbs and spices directly to the oil. I just added my curry powder and gave it a good stir. I'll be telling you why I add all my spices to the oil, because this enables it release the flavor and makes your food super tasty. Then I went in with some onions and a bit of turmeric. Then I went in with my vegetables. These are some stripped carrots and diced green peppers. Just add them to the oil and give it a good stir. You fry and fry and fry till it's not so crunchy. Then after that, we'll go in with our sausage. At this point, if you don't want to use sausage, you can substitute this with some beef strips or chicken strips. Just do you, okay? But I had sausages, that's why I made use of sausages. But you could use meat or chicken if you want a higher protein version of this recipe. Then the next thing I'll be going in with is my egg that has some grounded pepper and a bit of seasoning powder. Then I'll pour it into my mixture. I won't be stirring this immediately so it does not scatter. I'll be stirring it after some time so the egg can rise up. I had to take out that little eggshell I saw in the pan, okay? So do not fret, I took it out. So I'll give this a very good mix. Just stir, stir, stir. You could add in some more eggs if you want your recipe or your meal to be of higher protein, okay? And you could add in some more veggies and take out the sausage if you want to make this recipe for weight loss. Just add in a lot of veggies, okay? And yam is actually very healthy because it has low glycemic index. What do I mean by this? It means that when you eat yam, it's not going to spike up your blood sugar levels just like when you eat rice. No, it has a lower glycemic index. So yam is actually very healthy for you. You could do air fried yams strips instead of this type that I use, although I fried mine because I'm not actually making this recipe for weight loss. It is actually for weight gain. So if you're team fit farm or you don't want to add in some more weight, just do air fried version, okay? Then I went in with my green spring onions. I added it at the end because herbs like spring onions or mint leaves or basil, most times you add them at the end of your meal. If you want more information on how to use your herbs and spices, I'll be writing an ebook really soon. Then you could click the link in the description so you could join my waitlist. I'll also be writing an ebook for weight gain, weight loss, different Nigerian recipes. If you want to be among the first people that know when my ebook is released, just click the link in the description to join my wait list so you get information once the book is out. And voila, our food is ready. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications. See you in my next video. Bye.